Transform your ordinary footage into something truly magical with a dazzling flowing aura effect right in Capcut. First, open your Capcut project and import the video clip you want to enhance. We'll be adding a glowing aura to this subject. Head over to the Effects tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Within Video Effects, you'll find many options. We're looking for something that creates a glowing or shimmering light. Scroll through and select the Glow category. Here, you have a few choices. I'm going to go with the Shimmer effect for a soft, ethereal glow. Tap on the effect to apply it to your timeline. Once applied, you'll see the effect on your video now. Tap on the effect layer in your timeline and then select Adjust to fine-tune it. This is where we'll make our aura flow. You can change the size to control how big the glow is. The opacity will determine its boldness. Crucially, you can select a color that complements your scene or creates a desired mood. To make it flowing, we need to animate its properties. Tap the little diamond icon, which is your keyframe button. As the effect is selected, move forward in your timeline and make a new keyframe by slightly changing a parameter, like the size or even the position of the glow. Capcut automatically blends these changes, creating movement. Experiment with different keyframe points and parameter adjustments. You can subtly shift the color, change the intensity, or even make the glow expand and contract over time. This is how you achieve that dynamic, flowing look. For an even more complex and captivating aura, don't be afraid to layer multiple glow effects. You can add a second glow with a contrasting color and a different animation style to create depth and visual interest. And there you have it. A beautiful, flowing aura that adds a touch of magic and draws your viewers into your video. Play around with these settings, and you'll master this effect in no time.